We're here at the shop taking a look at this Takeuchi TL240. Been working on a lot of older machines lately, but today I wanted to show you guys how this Astro Tools vacuum coolant refiller works. So what we're gonna do, we actually have it all hooked up. It does come pretty much fully assembled. Your blue hose will be on. You'll simply attach it to the universal cone or whatever else adapter you're using. And then this is the only line, this one and this one, that are actually unhooked when you get it in the set. So just hook your big one with your suction strainer to the middle device and your little vent hose on the left side right under your air inlet. So now all we're gonna do, I have all of my gauges set up right. We are going to turn this on, and we are going to actually cut this one off. So we're cutting airflow from the suction line, and now we're gonna send it in through, and it's gonna pull a vacuum. So when we turn this dial, watch this, you guys will begin to see that vacuum gauge rise up. That's pulling a vacuum on your entire cooling system. Let's actually watch this hose. As it pulls more and more of a vacuum, you'll begin to see your cooling lines actually collapse, which they are doing right now. So as you guys see, it's got that line totally collapsed. We're about at good pressure. Once it makes it to the end of the green, I simply cut it off. I'll cut my air, and normally I'll leave it for like 5-10 minutes and wait. And if the gauge stays in the same spot, I know I don't have any leaks, I've pulled a good vacuum, and then I can begin to refill. Now we're back 5 minutes later, and you guys see it's still holding an immaculate vacuum, so it's time to refill. So all we're gonna do now is we take our middle line, the one with the suction strainer, and we get our little cooling jug. Ideally, you want it to be at the same level as your gauges. But this is just for show and tell, so I'm just showing you guys. So we'll shove our little line in there. Take a look at this. Take it. Now this is where you'll spin the middle dial. Leave your left one shut off, spin the middle one, and it's going to replace that vacuum that you've pulled on the lines and fill all of that void with the coolant. So now we hit this, boom. You guys see it immediately began sucking that coolant right up that line, straight into the machine, and we're good to go. But if any of y'all have these cooling vacuum refillers, especially this one from Astro Tools, let me know how you like yours down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on these systems. And again, if you enjoyed the video, just please remember to drop a like, follow, and share this with a friend that may think it's as cool as us, because it really helps us out over here on this side of the page.